Hi everyone, welcome to Super Sweet Sketches, and it's half term, so today I'm going to be drawing with my son Zayn.
Hello everyone.
And we're going to be drawing a heart owl. So that's going to be quite relevant. Recently Valentine's Day. So what we do first, if you just pick up your pens, and we'll start off by drawing a heart shape just in the middle here. Start off maybe with the point in the middle of the heart and then working around. So I'm going to start just over here and go up and down and stop at the end. That's good. Yeah. And what we'll do is we'll continue the heart just on the other side. To make it a nice, fairly symmetrical heart shape. Okay. And the next thing we do is we just draw a couple of big circles just in the middle. Let's have a look. That's really good. Yeah, that's it. And you're ahead of me there. I forgot my other eye. Oh dear. Let's give this owl another eye. That's better. And what we need to do, if your eyes are a bit too small, you have to work really close. My eyes are nice and big here, these circles. I need to give the owl an eyelid. So just to put a line just across one of them, and just another one on the other side. Now you could have one eye closed if you want to, but I think my owl has got both eyes open so we can see what's going on. Next thing, put a circle inside the other circle, and another one on the other side. You can put a smaller one just in the corner on each eye, and then we can just colour in what we have in the middle. Careful not to go across the circles. That's really good. Excellent. So, next thing, start off with a little beak, just in the middle, very close to the eyes. A little triangle. Very good. And another lower one, just underneath. Okay. Now what we can do is we can give him some little semicircles, these little feathers, just underneath. And another little W underneath that one. Okay, we can now do the ears. So just at the very top here, just a bit of a curvy triangle shape. Up and down and stop in the middle, and then a little line across, and then up and down again. Okay, little wings. Again, you can do it on W's on the side, but maybe an extra little curve to the W. And the same on the other side. We can give him little feet. You can just put stick feet if you wish. Very good. And the same on the other side. And that completes our base drawing for the owl. We could add in a few other little things. Maybe you want to add in a moon. Don't think we're going to be able to do a lot on the side here, but you can do whatever takes your fancy, because of course, when do owls come out? They come out in the day or the night?
Night.
They do, don't they? So you need to have nice little stars and the moon just to show people that this owl is up on time. Okay, very good. Should we go super fast and colour this in? I think we should. I think what we'll do is we'll colour this in super fast so everyone can see at home how we're going to colour this beautiful owl in. Should we pick a nice blue colour? Very good. And how are your owls going on at home? I hope they're looking nice and colourful. What do you think, Zayn? How's yours coming along? Yeah, it's good. Very nice, I like it. It's got a lot of that personality you put in pictures. I like that a lot. We're going to perhaps go with a nice red colour for the heart, because this is a heart owl. You're a step ahead of me. What do you think? Do you think we should colour in the whole lot, or should we leave it as that?
Colour in the whole lot.
I think so. I forgot his eyelids. Don't forget his eyelids. That's really good. I like that a lot. What do you think? Think both our owls are friends?
Yeah.
They live in the same tree, I think, isn't it? Why do you think they've come out at night?
Because they are nocturnal.
They are, aren't they? They've probably gone out for some food, isn't it?
Yeah.
The owl with his best friend out to conquer the night sky. Well, that's the end of our video today. Thank you, Zayn, for joining me on this little one. I hope you've enjoyed it, and it would be great if we could see your pictures of owls. Maybe send them in to Super Sketches. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and why not subscribe for more cool videos so you don't miss out. See you on the next video. Bye for now.